remedy to remove dark spots. Dark spots can form as a result of years of exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays. They can also result from the natural aging process, during pregnancy, from the use of birth control pills or estrogen therapy, a condition known as melasma, after an inflammatory skin condition such acne, known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or from other factors. Dark spots are more common in people with darker skin due to the higher melanin content of their skin. In people with fair skin, overexposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays are the leading cause of dark spots. Natural remedies are often used in an effort to remove dark spots from the skin of the face. Sometimes known as sun spots, liver spots, or age spots, dark spots are caused by hyperpigmentation, an overproduction or inappropriate deposition of melanin, the pigment responsible for giving your skin its natural color. They often appear on the face, hands, arms, and other areas frequently exposed to the sun. The change of color happens when melanin overproduction happens. Melanin is produced by the cells when they are exposed to the sun. The more sun exposure, the more melanin is produced. Melanin used to protect our skin from sun damage. This reduces the risk of skin burning and skin cancer with future sun exposure. Sometimes hormonal changes are also responsible for dark spots. Do you know that, apart from making desserts and smoothies, yogurt can also be used to whiten your skin? Here are how the nutrients present in yogurt help to lighten the skin. The lactic acid present in yogurt moisturizes and nourishes dry skin. Zinc slows down the aging process and reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Calcium present in it heals the dry and flaky skin. Vitamin B5 present in it brightens the dull skin and reduces dark spots and acne scars. It contains vitamin B12, which lightens the skin discoloration. It contains vitamin B2, which encourages new and healthy cell growth. Riboflavin present in it protects skin cells from damage by free radicals. It helps to regulate oil production. The milk astringent properties of yogurt tighten the pores and tissues of skin. How to use it: take plain yogurt and apply it directly on the spot. Let it dry for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. For instant results, apply yogurt on the dark spots before you sleep and leave it overnight. Apply daily for quicker results. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.